Okay, so today I'm going to do a short little video here today on the one and only GameStop, GME. Not here to offer financial advice, thoughts and opinions only, but let's jump right into it. So there's certainly some suspicious things going on with the options chain, if I don't say so myself. So if you look at the options expiring this Friday for January 21st, 2022, right, we go back to 1 year ago. We have the January 2022 50-cent put. Look at the volume right here. Look at this. 12 million. Let me say that again. 12 million contracts traded the day before the stock's buy button was basically removed from a majority of brokerages, right? You see it right here. Robinhood blocks purchase of GameStop AMC, right? Don't need that tab anymore. You get the point. 12 million. Look at the options action. Look at the volume. Don't look at these charts. Look at the volume. You see the volume pictured? I'm pointing as if you could see my finger, right? You see right here, volume. Look at the volume I'm highlighting. Look at the significant volume on the day where the price was going berserk. The day before they took the buy button away, they weren't letting retail individuals buy, right? Look at that insane volume. And then the volume in the days after. This is for the $1 put, right? The $5 put, same deal. You even go as far up to the $20 put. It's all the way up. There's massive, massive volume at this time. Massive open interest still stands to this day, right? The question is now, with these options set to expire, what could there be some shorts unraveling? Could there be the next chapter of this saga unraveling? I'm not trying to pinpoint exactly what's going on with these options. What I am trying to say is that it's really suspicious that all of these options had significant volume at a time period where the stock went up so massively, and probably one of the most least likely times people are thinking that GameStop is going to close below 50 cents a share a year later. Interesting that that particular option would have such volume, almost like they thought retail would forget about GameStop, and you could kind of prolong the issue, so to speak, and then handle it when the time came. And it's almost like around here where we saw that double spike, and you still had a lot of resilience from retail traders, a lot of individual holders, a lot of DRS to computer share going on, right? I think in this time period here where that happens, a lot of the short sellers are realizing those positions for January, they're going to have to do something about them now. Those options, like all that volume and remaining open interest on them, especially the market makers, that doesn't just go away if you don't ever hedge the shares. So I'm wondering, in the few weeks ahead, are we going to see some significant price action? There's been really heavy downward pressure, and we haven't seen any downward pressure like this at all really since back here. I mean, it's interesting. It makes you wonder, is there something going on with these options, this particular chain, because it's the yearly option set to expire? We'll see. Could that be why the price has been pushed down so heavily, shorted so aggressively? The retail ETF, I believe it's XRT, has short interest of like 300%, and a lot of ETFs containing GameStop are being shorted heavily. It really makes you wonder. And me as an investor, I'm an individual. I just like the stock. I like the company. And I think all of this is just a nice bonus. Shorts are just future buyers.